Hi, this is Shengyi Koh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't have to say anything about today's video because on my table this is the sneaker of the year for me, the Airjordan 1 High Dior. The box itself is really premium. It is not like the Jordan 1 red and black box. It is the Airdior box. It is really exclusive. Five million people in the world joined the raffle for this Airdior and only 8,500 pairs worldwide. So if you manage to get a pair, you are one of the 8,500 pairs. I am a huge fan of Nike Airjordan 1 and this is the most luxurious pair of Airjordan 1 ever, and the retail price is crazy and the resale price is even crazier now. You can see this dust bag for the Airdior, 3 bags. One is the shoelace and the other one is the Airdior wing logo, and the third one, I'm sure it is the Jumpman logo. Super nice. It comes with Dior receipt of the pair. The insole is super premium with all the Dior logo on it. This pair, when I first saw it online, Travis Scott wore them on Fit. I was like, this is my dream pair. I have to get this pair when they release it. The most impressive part is the swoosh logo, which is made from the Dior oblique logo. It is really impressive to see Dior and Kim Jones is working on all the details of the pair. As one of the biggest fan of Airjordan 1, this is definitely a must-cop pair for me. Shout out to A.K.A. Young Plug. If you want to get a pair, remember to DM them. If you like my video, remember to like, comment and share it to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important for me and my team. Thank you so much and I see you again soon. Bye.